Welcome everyone to the weekly Makethive CTO update. My name is Douglas Yates, and Makethive CTO, and we're going to have an update that tells you exactly what's going on behind the scenes. You know, we're big on transparency, and this is part of the implementation of making sure that you have, as a member of Makethive or somebody that's interested in Makethive, more than enough information to know what's going on here and where we're headed and what's happening. And this update is specifically around the technical side of things, the system side of things. With Makethive.com is the inbound marketing system, and we're continually making improvements and implementing our milestone plan that's outlined in our white paper. And this is an update that will let you know the status of it. So, you know, and this is the first one, so I'll kind of sum up over the last couple of weeks what we've been accomplishing, and it's mainly bringing the whole system. We moved it to the the Microsoft cloud, and we're completing that process of getting all 100% of everything over into Microsoft Cloud. And they kind of partnered with us a little bit. They actually allowed us to and kind of paid for the migration of that because they wanted somebody like us in their cloud. And we're also upgrading the database where the information is stored to migrate closer so we can implement a blockchain integration with that database and to make it faster and better and improve it. And we're also upgrading the language that the system is written into the latest and greatest versions. So that's all happened over the last few weeks, and we're finishing that process over these next couple of weeks. And a big part of that process is you know, doing what we call a regression test, which means testing every function and feature of the system that make it with these new upgraded database and tools and frameworks that are out there. And then another great thing that we accomplished last week was we finished our first implementation of implementing the blockchain, and we finished the Makethive coin blockchain, and the symbol is MHV for the coin. And what that means is now we can start to integrate it into the back office, into the Makethive.com system. And there's two main functionalities that this is going to interact with. One is our airdrop functionality, and the second is the micropayments functionality. And so this week we're concentrating mainly on the airdrop functionality, and we're going to take that coin and start prepping the Makethive.com system, the back office. And, you know, you'll notice in the profile page here, I'm circling it on the screen, there's a Makethive coin clip. This is where the airdrops and all the micropayments will first be loaded into that space right there. And it's on your profile page. And you just go up to settings, and it defaults to the general tab there, and you can scroll down and see it there, the Makethive coin clip. So, you know, that's where all the airdrops are going to go. And we have a series of three different phases of the airdrops. And the first one is what we're calling an internal airdrop. And that is, you know, for the existing people that are in the system right now and the existing entrepreneurs that are in the system now, you'll get your airdrops first. And I call these three phases part of the accumulation phase for Makethive, and that's where you're accumulating the Makethive coin. So when we pull the switch to where you can start doing commerce and trading and transferring the coin, it'll all be ready, you know, already in your coin purse for you. So that's the first place to look at when we start announcing the airdrops are happening, is to go to that section and watch your values increased as you use the system. And the first thing will be the airdrops. We're going to have three different internal airdrops. We have the ones for the existing people. The second, we'll have the ones for the new people the first ones will be for the entrepreneur level members. The second one will be for everybody that's been active in the database. And then the third, we'll turn it on for new members. When they come in, they'll get their 500 coins. And if they come in through your profile page, you'll get your matching 500 coins if you're at the entrepreneur level. So, I do encourage everyone to upgrade to the entrepreneurial level, and to the people that are your associates and friends, to encourage them to do the same. Because through this collaborative effort, we're all going to be able to increase our net worth and really help you as an entrepreneur further what you want to do, and help fund that, and help get that universal income for entrepreneurs that we've been talking about actually implemented. And so that's what's on the docket for this week, and it's pretty exciting. But we're also starting the design phase of the ILP token, the Makethive ILP token, and this is for those that have purchased an ILP and hold a paper ILP. Now we're converting that to a digital blockchain, and so the design of that is going to be starting this week. So I'll keep you abreast of how that's progressing. And as you know, I'll remind everyone that the first lot of the ILPs, the first 125 have been spoken for. So we've released the second lot, and they're at $15,000 each. But we added the capability to be able to buy a half ILP at $7,500 each. And that's all done through a manual process. So if you're interested in that, you can email me at CTO at Makethive.net, not .com, but .net. All right, so that's the update for this week on the technical side of things. I appreciate you tuning in, and stay tuned every week. We'll give you same kind of thing, update what we accomplished and what we're going to plan to accomplish the following week, and keep you abreast of how we're progressing here at Meeting Milestones. So thank you again for tuning in.